Hi guys, here we are at Haxby Station level crossing in York with Adam and the NNP Trains. Down, down. Screechy alarm there, it's awful. Down and down. Oh, it started to bang again. So then, there we go. Now, the time now is 13:51 on Saturday the 27th of July 2017, and this is for your 14... Oh no, you're 15... you're 15:45, 1 Echo 87, first Trans-Pennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Scarborough, expected at 15:46. I'm borrowing an NNP Trains phone, because he's borrowing mine, because he's using my 5S, because it's got more storage on it than his. So this is only an 8GB phone. I'm getting 2 videos here, and then we're going to Copmanthorpe number 2 level crossing. Yeah, it was 1 minute late. I didn't realise that, you see, so... Let's hope the train doesn't do a really massive turn, because sometimes they do turns really loud here. And it scared me half to death. It's a bit of a tongue twister YouTube name. And NNP Trains. I keep going NNP Trains. Oh, here it is. 185141. 185141 to some other train that I don't remember, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.